The 2027 Mercedes-Benz EQB isn't just getting an update, it's being completely reimagined. Reborn as the all-new GLB-Class EV on a dedicated electric platform, this compact luxury SUV brings dramatic upgrades in design, technology, and real-world usability. Bold new design. Mercedes keeps the iconic boxy GLB shape, but sharpens it with smarter aerodynamics and premium details. A more sloped windshield and smoother surfaces help achieve an impressive 0.28 drag coefficient without losing that rugged, upright character. Lighting becomes a signature feature with full-width LED light bars and illuminated tri-star patterns front and rear. These details instantly separate the new GLB EV from the old EQB and give it a more futuristic, high-end presence. The new model is longer and rides on a stretched wheelbase, directly improving cabin space. This extra length not only enhances passenger comfort, but also reinforces the GLB EV's positioning as a practical, family-friendly luxury SUV. Luxury meets tech. Inside, the transformation is even more dramatic. The cabin moves away from entry-level vibes toward a mini S-Class feel, highlighted by premium materials, ambient lighting, and a cleaner, more digital dashboard layout. The optional MBUX superscreen steals the show, spanning the entire dashboard with a seamless glass panel. It combines a digital driver display, massive central touchscreen, and a dedicated passenger screen for a truly immersive experience. Practicality still matters here. The GLB EV remains one of the few compact luxury EVs offering an optional third row, while the new Sky Control panoramic roof adds switchable glass and an illuminated star pattern for nighttime ambiance. Performance and range. Underneath, the switch to Mercedes' MMA platform unlocks serious performance gains. An advanced 800-volt architecture enables faster charging, better efficiency, and performance levels usually reserved for much more expensive electric vehicles. The rear-wheel drive GLB 250 Plus delivers smooth, efficient power and an estimated WLTP range approaching 392 miles. For drivers wanting more punch, the dual-motor GLB 354 Matic adds confident all-wheel traction and stronger acceleration. Charging is a major highlight, with speeds up to 320 kilowatts. The GLB EV can recover roughly 160 miles of range in about 10 minutes, plus native access to Tesla's supercharger network for stress-free road trips. If this new GLB EV is the future of compact luxury SUVs, Mercedes might have a real winner on its hands. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like if this surprised you and subscribe for more next generation car breakdowns.